Hi, this is Sari from Cricut Design and welcome back. Today, I'll be showing you how you can change this text into this trendy looking text design within Cricut Design Space. And this can be done in under 5 minutes. On our website, we offer many lettering design SVG like this one for free, but would it be useful if you know how to do this on your own? I love making my kid's name with this technique and you will get one-of-a-kind design like this one. Okay, without further ado, let's dive in. Step number 1, pick a font. Before you get into the process, you will need to have this basic knowledge. Not all of the font will work, so you have to actually look and get the font that have alternative letter options, which is called glyphs. Don't be scared, this is actually super easy to identify. Let's go to my favorite website, Creative Market, to show you this. For this tutorial, I am using a font called Kristopher. I added the direct link to this font down in the description box if you are interested. Let's type Kristopher into the search bar and find the font. Go ahead and click the image and go click See More. When you scroll down these product images, fonts that have alternative letter option usually have an image slide like this one to show you that it does. This basically means that the designer who designed this font included few different options for certain letters so that you can switch the alternates around to make custom lettering designs. This tutorial works with any fonts that have such options, so go ahead and search any font style you are looking for, then download them on your computer. You may already have fonts that have alternative letter options, so keep on watching to see how you can find out whether your pre-owned fonts have this option. Step number 2. Install font. If you have never used font with Cricut, keep in mind that you can't just open font file with Cricut. You will need to install your font onto your computer first. With Mac, you simply open the font you downloaded, then double-click the one with OTF extension. Then, down here it says Install Font, so go ahead and click it. By doing this, you added this font onto your computer system, so you can now use this font with other softwares other than Cricut, like with Excel, Word, Illustrator, and more. For any other devices, you can simply Google how to install font, Windows/iPad, whatever your device is, and find a way to install the font onto your devices. After installing the font, then it's time to play around on Cricut Design Space. Step number 3, edit on Design Space. Go ahead and open the Design Space. Click New Project, then click Text. Type out a word you want to work with, then go to Font, then search your font name you want to use. In this case, I typed Kristopher. After clicking the Kristopher font, you can see your text changed to this font. Then for Mac users, go ahead and search Font Book from Finder. Or you can use Windows, you can search Character Map, then from drop-down menu, you can find your font. For more detailed explanation or information for Windows users on how to use Character Map, I added URL you can use down in the description box. After opening the font book, search Kristopher font and locate your font. Make sure this icon with 4 squares is selected. This should display all the alternate letters. I want to change the letter N and D, so I am now looking for the alternate letters for N. Here's the letter I want to use, so go ahead and single click to select this letter, then copy it by pressing Command and C on your keyboard. Go back to Design Space, then double click to edit the text. Select the letter N, then while the letter is being selected, press Command and V on your keyboard to paste the alternate N we just copied. Go ahead and repeat this process for the rest of the letters you want to change. Once you are happy with your result, then don't forget to select the design, then attach it. That's it! Now you're ready to cut. If you want to find out if your pre-owned fonts have alternates or not, just simply open the font book, search and locate the font, then click icon with 4 squares again. If your font have alternates, then all of them will show up in here. It's pretty simple and super easy to do. I hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe and give a thumbs up so I can continue to make videos like this. Happy crafting, everyone!